Have a rat.
Ah, thanks.
I yield.
I will let him cook. I need to make something for dinner.
Do not cook the rat.
I mean fucking let him cook, not to cook him.
So has your maid now?
I mean Ratatouille. I bet he is a great cook.
He did.
Finally, some good fucking food.
As asking for rating. He's a proud employee of the month.
He is allowed to be proud of himself a little bit.
Only a little?
There is no time. He needs to continue cooking.
Where's the lamb sauce?
Uh-oh.
He wanted to be very best, but if you want to be the best, you need to survive hell.
I fell into the lamb sauce, sir. Sir, help me.
My God, what have I found?
One of them succeeded.
Finally, some good fucking food.
Fuck food too hot.